Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about SUMIFS formula. So what sum does is it gives you the total of the desired cell range, and what SUMIF do, it gives you the sum of the cell range based on any one condition. But what SUMIFs do is you can give more than one condition, and on the basis of that, if all the conditions are met, then those cell ranges whose conditions are met will be summed and will be given as a result. So here I am data which is having store, product and total sales. So let's see that we are having two stores, ABC store and XYZ store, and these are having some products and their total sale. So what we are going to calculate is we are going to give two conditions that we want. Let's assume we want XYZ store and T. So in that case we can see that how much total sale comes. So now we are writing that XYZ store, and in that we want T. So how much should be the total sale? So applying the SUMIFS formula, we can see that it needs sum range. So the total sale is the sum range. We want the total sale. Next, criteria range 1. So our criteria first is XYZ store. So criteria range will be this. Since we want XYZ store, and XYZ store come in this cell range. Pressing comma, and what is the criteria 1? This is the criteria 1. So selecting it, criteria range 2, you can select this because we want T, and T comes in this cell range. So pressing comma and then selecting T. Now we have two conditions. You can give as many conditions as you want, and so on by giving criteria range, comma, criteria. So at present we are having only two conditions, that we want the store to be XYZ store and product to be T, and in total sale we want the total sale done for T in XYZ store. So closing the parenthesis and pressing enter will give us 1850. So in this way you can use SUMIFS formula. So hope you find this video helpful. If so, please do subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.